This is it, Darryl. 1 lap to go, and Lightning McQueen has a huge lead.
Oh, he's got it in the bag. Call in the dogs, put out the fire. We're gonna crown us a new champion. Checkered flag, here I come. Oh, no! McQueen has blown a tire!
And with only 1 turn to go, can he make it? You fool!
McQueen's blown a tire! McQueen's blown a tire! Go, 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 go! He's lost another tire! The King and Chick are coming up fast!
They're entering turn 3.
Come on! I don't believe what I'm watching, Bob! Lightning McQueen is 100 feet from his piston cup!
The King and Chick rounding turn 4.
And down the stretch they come, and it's...
It's too close to call.
I don't believe it! I
Close
don't
to call.
believe it!